Hello everyone, Bob here with Bitcoin Homework, and today we will talk about what a blockchain ledger is. But first, let's describe the current system that has been around for years. Before computers, we would keep track of transactions like buying a house, for instance, on a paper ledger. We would keep track of the contract and each subsequent payment. Calculating interest and principal, though, was done manually until the loan was paid off. In fact, many people today keep paper ledgers when doing a budget. Computers came along and made the process faster and more reliable because they weren't dependent on using a calculator and work faster than we can. However, with the programming, there could only be one open instance of a file at any given time. For example, if you opened your account to look at it, only you could make changes, and the system would have to wait for you to close the document before it could make any updates, taking into account what you might have changed, like making a payment. In the business world today, we are full of these types of ledgers concerning contracts. These are used for pretty much everything today, between sellers and buyers, from stocks to buying a house. However, they are grossly inefficient, subject to fraud and misuse on many different levels. And in fact, these centralized ledger systems can cause bottlenecks, corruption, incorrect data, disputes, etc., etc. The newest technology is called a blockchain. It's sort of how the internet works. There is no one central hub where the internet lives. It's also known as a distributed network, where all machines talk to each other and verify connections in order to pass data from one place to another. Billions of connections are made every minute, and even with this huge amount of traffic, connections are made successfully 99.9% of the time, as long as the two computers are on and can talk to each other. A blockchain is a shared digital ledger that records transactions in either a public or private network. A private network is also known as a peer-to-peer. The ledger permanently records the history of asset exchanges that take place and distribute them to all the member nodes in the network using a sequential chain known as blocks. Validated and confirmed blocks of transactions are chained together from the beginning of the chain to the most recent block, also known as a blockchain. Just like using Google Docs, multiple people can be in a document at the same time, and changes made to a document are immediate to all parties that are viewing the information. A blockchain transaction can only be viewed and accessed, though, by the members in the blockchain network who those transactions are relevant to. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at BitcoinHomework.com. Thank you, and happy trading.